Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Adi here. So today we are going to discuss top 3 mid-cap mutual fund you should invest right now in the current market situation. So let's get the video started. The first one we are going to discuss is your Quant Mid Cap Fund. So Quant, it is under Quant Money Manager Limited AMC. So this has been giving good return for last 3 years, but you can see the AUM is asset under management, it bit lower side, which is around 700 crore, and you can see the expense ratio is 0.63%, which is also good. And exit load, if you redeem it within 90 days, let's say 3 months, then you have to pay 0.5% exit load. So if you see the last 3 years XIRR, you can see it's around 37%, which is quite good, because annualized return of 37% is very good. So it's giving constantly for last 3 years. So if you see last 1 year, it's also giving 16%. So under current market situation, 16% is quite good, because it's mostly in his portfolio Adani groups of stocks are there, so that's why. And if you see, you can start with the minimum SIP of 1000 rupees per month, and if you want to start with lump sum, then minimum will be 5000. So for my side, I will give it 7.6 out of 10, because it's been quite performing very good for last 3 years constantly. So this is the first one. So the second one is your Axis Mid Cap Fund. So this one, everyone knows, this one is a huge AUM, and I can see 19,500 crore, and it is under Axis AMC. So the expense ratio is also good, 0.54%, and exit load, it's 1 year. If you redeem it within 1 year, you have to pay 1%, which is different from your Quant Mid Cap Fund. So if you see the annualized return of last 3 years, it's 23.4%, we can say 23.5%. So that is also good, but last 1 year all Axis fund are not doing good, you know it. So you can see last 1 year it's very bad, 0.6% only. So comparing to Quant, which is around 16%, 15%, so it's 0.6% is very bad. But still, last 3 years you can see the return is still good, 24% constantly. So you can start the investment with SIP like around 500, and lump sum you can start with 5000. And considering its last 3 years performance and the AUM, I'll give it around 6 out of 10. So the last one you should consider investing in the mid cap category is your PGM India Mid Cap Opportunity Fund. So it's under PGM India Asset Management Company. So AUM also good, 6,600 crore. Expense ratio is bit lower side comparing Axis and Quant Mid Cap, and exit load is same as your Quant Mid Cap, which is 0.5% if you redeem it within 3 months or 90 days. And if you see the last 3 years return is also good, it's better than your Quant Mid Cap. You can see is 38.7% for last 3 years annualized return, but last 1 year it's 6% only. So the reason because I put it in the third place, because last 1 year it's not able to give more return comparing to your Quant Mid Cap. But still last 3 years if you see 38.7%, which is very good. So if you want to consider this as an investment opportunity, then you can invest with 1000 minimum SIP per month, and lump sum you can start with 5000. So I will give it 5.3 out of 10. So all these 3 you can consider if you want to invest in the mid cap category of fund. So I hope this video is really helpful. So if you have any question regarding any mutual fund, just put in the comment, I will get back to you. So thank you everyone, and please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.